Now, regardless of if you just watched my stream or not, you probably do know that it is possible to now obtain Hoglin or Piglin Heads, whatever you want to call it. You can now obtain Piglin Heads in 1.20 or 1.20 with this new update. Now, you're probably wondering, well, Bionic, how do you obtain these, especially when I'm in my hardcore world? And of course, I am too. I did this, and it was not actually too hard. And today, I'm going to walk you all through how to get this in hardcore Minecraft, and it's actually not as hard as you might think it is. So if you don't know already, you can attain mob heads normally by just having a charged creeper explode other mobs around it. That can be including creepers, zombies, or skeletons. But with the Hoglin Head, it's a whole new ball game. The difference is that you have to get the Hoglins from the Nether into the overworld, and that's not even the hardest part. See, the thing about Hoglins is if they're in the overworld for a certain amount of time, nearly a minute to 30 seconds, they change into a normal piglin. Now, if we go back and watch my footage, you can see that I did trap the creeper because this was my second attempt, and I realized this very quickly. After I realized this, I boxed up the creeper and made sure he couldn't escape, and then I went through, lured a Hoglin to attack me, and he came through, and I very quickly had him follow me. He fell to the hole, and I put up the shield, and I got the head. It's not that hard. It's very easy. You just have to get very lucky with a few things. First thing is, thunderstorms can be very rare, and also you have to have a channeling trident to get these charged creepers. It can take a while sometimes, but just know you gotta stay motivated, you gotta stay focused. As you can also see with my footage, you also make sure to bring a shield. You always want to have a shield when you're trying to collect mob heads with these charged creepers. If you stand too close to a charged creeper, it can pop your totem, or if you don't even have a totem, it can instantly kill you, even if you have begin powers, even if you have the best armor in the game. If you didn't already, dragon heads can actually move using redstone frequencies, like this. They can move their mouths up and down. I put the head down, then I put the redstone signal. They move the ears, which I think is actually kind of creepy, since, you know, it's their dead head, they're beheaded, but you know, it's still a cool Easter egg. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and if you have any questions at all, post them in the comments down below, and I will try my best to answer them. I really want to help you guys out if you really, truly want to try to do this yourself, and if you're just even trying to do it in normal survival world, this could help as well. This is exactly how you would do it, just a normal survival world. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all, and I will see you all in the next one.